Welcome back to my channel. It's Curls Next Door here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So you guys, as you have seen by the title, I'm going to be bringing you this small, very small review of some of the new releases that I think are worthy for me, that I wanted to purchase for me to continue through the summer. I know there's a lot of autumn stuff and a lot of just a lot of stuff for fall that's coming out. Your girl's not interested. I'm interested in a new that is here for the summer. Maybe a couple of these you can use to transition into the fall, but I'm going to use what I can right now for the summer because we're in summer. So let me just show you and share with you my first impressions on some of these items that I do have that I think are summer worthy. So I was only able to pick up the body lotions. I went into the store and I had a few rewards that I wanted to redeem for some of these new products. Now, I've already had this underwater Oasis in the past, I believe in 2019 and 2020. That's the one with the micellar water added to it. And that was the only one that I finished in a jiffy. Now, I'm not sure if this one has micellar water added as well. I didn't see that online, but that's neither here nor there because I do have the new one in the body cream. I'm just going to wait for one of those $5.95 sales for the Fine Fragrance Mist in order to get that Fine Fragrance Mist. The faceted collections, I don't know why they're just always so super expensive. So I'm just going to wait till there is some humongous sale for $5.95 for the Fine Fragrance Mist, and I'm going to get it. But I did go ahead and redeem a reward for this one. The fragrance notes are sparkling bergamot, jasmine, and blue musk. I remember loving this one. I loved it. I loved it so much that I had to go ahead and pick up another one. So you get a burst of citrus from that bergamot. Not a huge jasmine lover, but I can't smell that in this one. In the other one, I was able to smell and detect that jasmine. I don't get that in this one. This one is so good. I really like this one, honestly. This screams summer, it screams tropical, it screams vacation. Oh, I love this one. I love this one for what it's worth. This underwater Oasis definitely to me is different. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it's different. It's a very classy citrus scent, if you ask me, with a hint of floral, and I love it. I will definitely recommend Underwater Oasis for anybody who just likes that clean, citrus, fresh, energizing, uplifting types of fragrances. You're definitely going to love this one. Ah, it smells amazing. Next fragrance that I did pick up from my little rewards was this Sensual Amber. This I already have in my collection, but because it was part of the quad, I had to pick it up. I like this one mainly because it just reminds me of fall. Okay, this is probably the only one in my collection that I think I can use midsummer into fall because of the amber in this fragrance. What is in here? I love this. It smells so good. The fragrance notes are amber, wild berries, orange blossom, sandalwood, and lotus petals. It definitely is a different take on the fine fragrance mist that I have. I can tell. There is a little bit of amber in here that makes this a very warm, but it still smells like something that's watery. It smells like something that's is a hint of fruit in there, or I don't know. There's some type of watery notes in this fragrance. It smells a little bit powdery to me as well. I don't know. I don't know. This is different and I like this. It's not the same as the body mist that I have. It seems like the notes are completely different. I don't know. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But it definitely smells like something that is midsummer, geared into fall. It has that lotus in there as well that makes this a little bit fresh and aquatic, but it's very summer-like. I'm definitely gonna like this one because it's warm and it's inviting. I'm gonna enjoy this, definitely. And again, I can't wait until there is a $5.95 fine fragrance mist sale. I'm gonna partake and I'm gonna get the fragrance mist to go along with all of these products, because I'm pleasantly surprised that this does not smell like the fragrance mist that I have already in my collection. This smells absolutely amazing. It's a different take on sensual amber, and I'm here for it. So I'm glad that I have this one in my collection. This is another fragrance that I never had the pleasure of having the candle or the plug-in or the room spray or anything. I never had the pleasure of picking that up ever in all the years I've been to Bath & Body Works or shopped at Bath & Body Works. I was just never really intrigued. It did finally come out in body care, and I could not leave this behind. This one is the Midnight Blue Citrus. The fragrance notes on this are juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. When I was in store and I Googled the fragrance notes of this and I saw that there was mango, immediately I added this into my cart, because why not? Why not? There is mango. I am a fruity lover. I love fruity fragrances. Super excited to go ahead and try this one on my skin. I feel like I'm gonna love it. Off the top, I can smell the mangoes, and it smells absolutely amazing. There's definitely a citrus note in here, but the mango just shines. It overpowers, and it just makes this amazing, amazing fragrance. I love this. This is A1. I'm so happy that they actually brought this into body care because it smells so good. If I ever see the candle, now I know I'm probably going to pick one up just to burn it and see if it's going to give that same outlook or the same scent profile as the body lotion. Again, once the fragrance mists are on sale, I'm going to grab a couple of these because tropical is what I'm going for. I'm so happy I was able to pick this up. My first impression on all of these 3 items are A1, and I highly recommend. Now, the final fragrance that I was not able to pick up at any of my stores because all they had was the body creams, which were $17.95, and they had a couple of the fine fragrance mist. This must be a hot seller for real. I remember liking the body washes and the body cream years ago, but I think the fragrance notes has changed up just a bit. And I still have one of the body washes here in my collection. I picked this up from 2020, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, I picked this up in 2020 and I still have one more in my collection. And I'm just going to hold on to this, and I'm so happy that I did. Now, like I said, I believe the fragrance note has changed up just a bit. The 2020 version has bright cactus petals, sun-kissed coconut, and vanilla. The 2023 version has desert cactus flower petals, sun-kissed coconut, and fresh sparkling lemon. So there's vanilla in this one, and this new one has lemon. They changed one of the notes on there. I am going to like it regardless. Like if I go out to the store and it's on the shelf, I am willing to pay full price for that body mist. I remember loving this one 2020, 2021, and I'm so happy that I have one more body wash to go along with the fine fragrance mist or the body lotion when I get it. So I know I'm gonna love it. I remember this being very tropical. There was the hint of coconut, but there was also, it was also very sweet because of the vanilla. I know that one has lemon, so it's gonna be a little bit more citrusy. And I just can't wait to compare the old version to the new one. That is it for my review for today. I hope that I was able to clarify or let you know how I feel about these upcoming fragrances from midsummer to fall. That's just my personal opinion. You can use it whenever you feel like it. Like I'm in Florida, I can use this all year round, but I just really enjoyed every single scent that I picked up from yesterday. I can't wait to go ahead and just power wash myself in that midnight blue citrus because of the mango and the citrus. What a perfect combination. And then there is the sensual amber. That amber is just sticking out, but it's very musky at the same time. What a combination. And of course the underwater Oasis. I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to use these up, and I can't wait to smell amazing this summer. So I love you guys. May God bless you until my next video.